To make nachos with pasta sauce, first preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, about 150 degrees Celsius. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of oil, in a pan over medium-high heat. Add 500 grams of ground beef and cook until brown. Once the meat is cooked through, add a 420-gram tin of beans, preferably Mexican beans. Mix together and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add your pasta sauce to the pan and mix until combined. Use 140 to 210 grams of pasta sauce. You will want to be able to scoop the mixture up with the corn chips easily, so make sure it isn't too thick. Simmer until everything is cooked through. Arrange your corn chips on an oven-proof plate or baking tray, then spoon the nacho mix on top. Cover with a layer of grated cheese and place in the oven with the door slightly ajar until the cheese is melted. Add your favorite toppings like sour cream, salsa, or guacamole, and serve.